Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Hyundai Tucson headlight. First, confirm your specific bulb type. As models vary, checking your owner's manual is always a good idea. You will need a new bulb and a pair of clean gloves to avoid touching the glass. Always make sure your car's engine is completely off and cool before you begin any work under the hood to ensure your safety. Now, let's get to the bulb. Open your hood and find the back of the headlight assembly. You'll see a round plastic dust cover. Gently twist this cover counterclockwise to remove it. Next, locate the electrical connector attached to the bulb. Press the small release tab and carefully pull the connector straight off the bulb to disconnect it. With the connector off, you'll either find a metal retaining clip to unlatch or the bulb itself will twist out. Gently remove the old bulb. Remember, never touch the glass of the new bulb with your bare hands, as oils can shorten its lifespan. Insert the new bulb, aligning its tabs, then secure it with the clip or by twisting it clockwise until it locks into place. To finish up, reconnect the electrical connector to the new bulb. Replace the plastic dust cover, twisting it clockwise until it's snug and secure. Now, turn on your headlights to ensure the new bulb is working correctly. If you're looking for ways to brighten your financial future, check out The Simple Path to Wealth. You can find a link to this book and other great deals in the description below. Close your hood, and you're all set.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.